friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about how can we insert a manual value to the identity column in SQL Server table. Generally, identity column automatically getting inserted with increment value based on its increment value. We cannot insert value to identity column. So if we want to insert identity value, we must enable identity insert statement as a property. In general case, we cannot insert identity value to the table. It will automatically increment the previous from the previous value based on its increment syntax. So let us check with this simplest example. Say syntax for enable identity insert. Set identity insert with the table name. We can mention database name, schema name, and on or off. See, create table student ID integer and mark as identity column and student name 50. So we insert student table with so we fetch it from that student table, we will get the result, and we can see the identity value which was not supplied to the student table because it's an identity property. It will automatically increment the value from previous inserted row. So here if you want to insert with the identity value, see here the value is 12. So if you insert the next row, new row, it will automatically get previous row. So here if we insert a new row, the student ID get 3. Here I want to insert this row from 15 because it's an explicit column, explicit value for the identity column can only be specified when a column list is used and insert identity insert is on. So it raises an error that we cannot insert identity value while identity insert is on. So here how can we enable this identity insert? Identity insert and the table name is student on. Give like this, again it will show an error because we must mention the column detail with identity also. So if we give like this, we will accept. So we are passing the identity value to manual one. Again we insert from this because identity insert is enabled. So turn off and pass this. So identity value getting increment from previous one. So it will continuously so based on the identity insert column, engine will decide increment value or manual value. So just simply enable the identity insert for a particular table and with the mention column name. It will not accept without mention column. See, identity 20. Again it will raise error because we didn't mention column details. So we must mention the column details here. And again, you try this, it will get success. So these are the property for identity insert. How to insert, how to enable this and disable this. If you want to remove, if you want to reset the identity value, only we can use truncate table. So only by truncate statement it will get the restart from the identity values. So now the property is disabled. Again it will give the, it will restart the identity value only from truncate statement. If we delete one row, see the last value is 3. Student where student ID is equal to 3 and pass this value. Automatically get the identity value from 3. So identity property once executed, identity property calculated when the previous identity is alive or not. So these are the example for identity columns for manual insertion. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.